Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're back to this iRONSNOW emergency radio, and I want to show you its tuning. Now, like I said before, it's got the tuning knob right here. It's got the slide rule scale right there, as opposed to its sister, which has this one right here. So we're going to tune a couple of the bands, and what you're hearing, that's the MP3 player. So we're going to go and select, we're going to select NOAA. So we're on the NOAA band right now. We need to extend the antenna, and we'll turn the volume back up, and we'll tune. I think I normally get channel 3. Now, the tuning on this particular radio is a little stiff, which is better than being loose. But it's a little stiff, and I talked to the seller, and he says after you've used it a while, it'll free up a little bit. Okay, turn the volume back up. All right, I must not have it. There we go. Oh no, went too far. I was on alert. Got a lot of positions here. Okay, now we're on NOAA. Let's try 3. There it is.
Scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms. Saturday, southeast winds around 10 knots, then becoming southwest in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet or less.
Now, I usually can get 3 channels on the NOAA weather channels if I'm using an outside antenna. Let me see if I can get at least 2. Yeah, there's 2. That's what I usually get, 2. That's loud and clear. Now, the NOAA weather stations are about, the transceiver is about 25 miles from me line of sight. So I'm pretty close. Okay, let's go to shortwave. We'll go to shortwave 2, which is 9 megahertz to 18 megahertz. Turn the volume back up. Remember, I'm in my office. The DSP tuner, you can hear it mute while tuning. I don't really expect to get much, especially in the higher bands in the morning. Let me see if I can get WWV at 10, which is down in here. Something there. That's about 9 point something. I can usually get 5 megahertz better in the morning. So let's go to shortwave band 1, which goes from 3.2 to 8, and we'll tune it up to 5, thereabouts. Oh, that's something to do with my computers. I can hear it real weak. And you got to keep in mind, I'm in my office, lots of RF here. I got routers and 3 or 4 computers running. Lots of noise. Okay, let's move on to AM is the next one. There's AM. You can still hear that. Brr, brr, brr. I don't know which of the many devices is causing that. There you go.
Visit identifyepi.com. Brought to you by AbbVie. Twitter. Tweeting.
Okay, that's probably 97.0. 97.0. No. Yeah, excuse me. 970. It's 970 WFLA local station. That's probably what that is. And lots of local stations here. There's another one.
Well, before I left my campsite, I was putting out my fire and...
Yeah, lots of stations. Okay, let's go to FM. We got to be a little careful because it's music usually. Whoa, as I was saying, oh, a little bit of music there. Let's go tune it real quick. Oh yeah, lots of FM stations. Yeah, there's lots of FM stations. Alrighty. Like I say, on this particular radio, this one I have in my hand, this tuning knob is a little stiff. Not unbearably stiff, but a little stiff. Although there's an advantage of that, it kind of holds the whatever you tune to. You don't have to worry about it moving on you accidentally. So a little stiff. Let me just try something. Let me go over here and just turn this one and see, compare it. No, that one's a lot smoother. Yeah, this one's a lot smoother. And I'm not sure, but I think the actual tuning mechanism besides the slide rule are the same on both radios. This particular radio, this one I have in my hand, it's a little stiff. Little stiff. So, that's about it. It looks like it picks up AM, FM, even a little bit of shortwave there. Again, right now, shortwave is terrible. If I hooked up my Grundig 750 to an outside antenna, I probably wouldn't get much. So I can't really test shortwave with this radio. NOAA, you saw, came in strong, very strong. And that's about it. As far as tuning with this radio, I will do, and I'll report in this video, I'll put it in the description. I will do the test where I fully charge it again and let it play with the lamp on, this lamp here that has 10 LEDs, with that lamp on, and see how long the internal battery will last. Now remember, the other one lasted almost 24 hours of continuous play plus continuous light. I'll try this one. And then I will do the not so accurate solar test where I put this in a window that has indirect sunlight. The last one I left in there for almost 4 hours, and I can't remember, it's about 10 minutes of playtime, I think. And I will also do offline because it gets pretty boring sitting there watching me cranking and suffering. I'll do the crank test, my 5-minute crank test. I'll do that. I'll report results of all those tests in the description of this video. So it's also all together. Alrighty? Does that sound like a good idea or not? I think that's about it. I thank the gentleman for sending me this radio for a review. Let me lock this down there. There we go. And they have a couple more emergency radios. Maybe he'll send me another one. They actually have one that I reviewed a long time ago from a different seller. And it was a pretty good radio. And it was, I don't recall what it cost, but it was very, very inexpensive. Emergency radio had many of the functions these do, but not all. Not all. It had, I think, AM and FM, maybe shortwave, crank, solar panel, real small solar panel. So it was a major downgrade from this one. Alrighty, I think that's it. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. You can either leave a comment or you can send me an email directly, TRRS73@gmail.com. And I just got a report from Amazon for my monthly commission that I get in my Amazon store, and it runs about a month or two behind. So it's not from this. It's not from July. It's probably from June. I got a nice little commission. I make about 4 to 6% on the sales for a few people that use my Amazon store. Again, the link to my Amazon store is down in the description. You have to use the show more option to see it. And I really appreciate everybody using my store. I just also checked what has been sent, because I don't get a commission until something is actually sent to the buyer. I had some nice sales this month, the month of August. I appreciate your support. Again, I use all of that commission to buy things to review on my show. Like I bought this one from those commissions. So that's about it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.